Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we have this cool machine here, and pretty much what this is an ice maker machine. If you can see, for the one that we got right here, it actually comes like this, and this is from the brand called Free Village. So what I'm doing right now is open up and show you guys what the inside looks like first. So if you guys see my previous video, you guys would know that I actually reviewed a few other ice maker machines in the past, and this time we do have another one. I believe from what I remember, I actually reviewed one of these ice maker machine from the same brand as well, the Free Village brand. But this time we do have a different one. But the first thing inside, you can see they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And also show you guys how to maintain it and clean it as well. But there's not really much to it because for this ice cube or ice maker machine, you guys do have a self-cleaning option, which is really nice. But once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. So I'm actually take it out. So just slide it out like that. And we'll flip it back around. Take out the protection layers. Probably want to cut this part out or peel it. Take out the protection layers. And let's take out this part right here as well. So that we can plug it in and use it. I'm going to use a scissor to cut it. Once you guys cut it all open, here's what the product looks like. So the cable that it does use is a 3-prong option. But right here is what the product looks like. So right here is the front. Here is the side. Here is the back. Here is our side. Here is the bottom. And here's the top. So you can see on top right here, we do have a few buttons. There's an on and off button, the clean button, the select button. And they do have a bunch of indicator light to show you guys what you guys are using. So you do have the option to make small or large ice cubes. There's a power option. There's an indicator light to show you guys when the ice is full. And they show you guys the indicator light to let you guys know when to add more water. And when you guys do look at the bottom right here, they do have like the non-slip material to prevent it from moving around when you guys do use it. And for this part right here, they do have the option for us to open it. So that way you can pour out the water really easily. So that way you guys don't have to pour from the top. You can just pour out from right here. So you have to make sure this part is sealed. You don't want to be leaking. And that is everything that's on the outside. Now I'm actually open this part right here and show you guys the inside. So you can see the tape that they use on here is actually really strong, that some of this still stays on. I'm just gonna leave it on for this test because I'll clean up later because it might take too much time to clean it. But if you guys do open up, inside right here we do have some more stuff that's taped as well. So I want to remove the tapes. For the inside part, you definitely want to make sure it's clean because you don't want to have dirty ice cube when you guys are using it. But if you guys do take it out, this is what the inside looks like. So they do give you guys the holder for the ice when it does fall down right here. And right here we do have the little shovel that you use, or the scooper. So you use that to scoop the ice out. And if you guys notice how they do have like the little holes right here for the ice or the water to fall down when it does drop. So that way when it does melt, it can fall to the bottom. So if I do bring it a little bit closer, here's what the inside looks like. So inside right there is where the ice cube is going to be forming. And it's going to drop down. In the bottom right there is where you're going to add in the water. So once you guys add the water inside, you can start it and start using it. But that is everything that's on the product. The one right now is to bring this over to the countertop or maybe on the table and set it up and show you guys how to actually set it up and how to use it. But before we do bring it over the counter or use it here, let's put the stuff back in. So this one go back inside right here like this. And the shovel is, and definitely put it in if you guys want to, or the scooper, and close it up. So now I'm actually add the water inside and we'll start using it to show you guys how it does work. All right, so I just added the water inside. So what I'm doing right now is just turn it on. So we just do press the power button. Right now we do have a large. You guys press this button, you can change the small to large. And when you guys look at the inside, and when you guys look at the inside, and you see how it starts working. So there is a tape inside right here that you guys want to move as well. So you definitely make sure you guys do that first. But right now what's happening is filling the water into the ice maker machine to reduce the ice out. And you see how the water is falling down. You guys can hear the fan in the side. So it shouldn't take more than I think 10 minutes each round, maybe even less than that, to actually make each round. So I'm gonna let it do its own thing and then we'll come back and check on it in a second. All right, so here's the first round coming out. So that's what it actually looks like for large. Let's try small. So repeat the same step. And we'll let it do its own thing and see what it actually looks like for small. All right. So that's what it looks like for small versus large. It's really hard to see the difference, but there's a very, very small difference when you guys do look at it. And what's happening right here after it does drop inside right here, it has this like refrigerant inside or freezer inside to keep it cool, which is very nice. I'll turn it off for now. So that way it doesn't produce anymore. But once you guys do have it all set up, this is what the product looks like. So each round took around like 8 to 9 minutes when I calculated, but this is the final result after you guys do finish using it. So what I'm doing right now is to bring this over to the sink and show you guys how to use the bottom part to release the water in the bottom right here. But this is what the product looks like when you guys do use it. Let me see if it does work. Alright, so right here I do have the product. So what I'm doing is pull the bottom part right here that I showed you earlier. Once you guys do pull it out, and we see how the water does come out. So that is how you guys get rid of all the water that's inside. So very easy and very simple as you can see. And once it's done, you have to close it back up. And that's how you release the water. And then here is what the inside looks like. If there's any remainder water, you can tilt it a little bit. But this is what the inside looks like once you got it done. And that's the hole right there for where the water goes out. Welcome back, guys. So now I test the product and definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. And see how easy it is for the product to actually produce the ice out and didn't take that long. So they mentioned for the product when you guys do use it, if you guys generate ice for 24 hours, it can generate up to 26 pounds of ice, which is a lot of ice if you guys do think about it. And like I mentioned for the product, it does have a self-cleaning option. So if you guys want to turn it on, feel free to do so. All the information is provided for you guys in the instruction manual. But to activate the self-clean option, not that hard. Literally all you need to do is just press that clean button that I show you guys, which is also the on and off button, and it should turn on. But really cool how you guys don't have to wait too long for the ice to produce. I think it took roughly around like 6 minutes to like 9 minutes around that range to produce the ice out. I think it took a little bit longer for the larger ice cube because you guys want large and it's a little bit bigger than small. But it's hard to tell when you guys do look at the video that I show you guys. But now to unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality ice maker machine that can help you guys produce ice really fast, whether if you guys want small or large, and also have the option for you guys to do self-clean option as well, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.